Hello everyone, this is Amanda with Martin Yale Industries, here today with Samantha. We're going to look at our 1501X paper folder. Martin Yale Industries is a U.S. owned and operated company, a leader in quality paper handling products. We've been here since 1940. This particular machine is produced at our Wabash, Indiana factory, so we do make this right here in the U.S. This machine is great for use in large mailrooms, offices, churches, schools, or businesses. Operates at a speed of about 7,500 sheets per hour. Feed table capacity of 150 sheets of 20-pound paper, up to about a half-inch stack. This machine will also handle stapled sets of up to 3 sheets, and those are folded by hand feeding them into the feed table bypass on the top. This unit will handle paper sizes from 3.5 inches by 5 inches, up to 8 3/4 by 14 inches, 16-pound bond up to 28-pound bond paper. Also does the most common fold types for 8.5 by 14 legal size paper. Runs through some of the features here on this machine. The first thing we want to show you is really important. This machine can do a half fold. So this has the first fold table here is adjustable. There's a pin on the bottom. You can see it says single fold or double fold. You just lift up this first plate and you can move it to single or double. Single fold is the half fold, and a double fold would be any of your other folds, like a letter fold or a Z fold. And that's the little copper thing is the static tinsel. That just helps with the static. These 2 trays in front, these are our catch trays. They are not fixed to the machine, so they are adjustable. You can move them around if you need to have them wider apart, or if you're using a different kind of paper that maybe is coming out of the machine faster, you can move them further away from the machine if necessary. And the back of our machine, this is what we call the second fold table, also fully adjustable. You can see the rulers on the machine. There's some pictures on there to help you set up the fold type that you want to use. Those are pretty handy. It's got the most common letter legal, and there's even a column for A4 paper. This machine is a 110 volt, but you can get it in a 220 if you need to ship it outside the country. And we're going to put a stack of paper in here. You do have to fan the paper when you are loading it into this machine. That is very, very important. Fanning the paper just gives it an edge on the top or the bottom, however you want to look at it. It just helps keep the paper separate so that it doesn't get tangled in the machine. You just put the paper in. The top piece is going to go under your feed wheel on the top. And then there's just a switch here. If you push the back switch, it's momentary. The forward switch is just going to turn it on. Turn this on and let it run for just a moment. Hold the paper in. The collection tray is just a catch tray. It's not anything fancy, so sometimes they do get tangled up. That is why the fold table is adjustable, or the catch table is adjustable, just to help you keep everything in order if you need to. Move the catch tray just a little bit and run some paper through it again, because we like it to be pretty and stack up nice. And these are adjustable, so if for some reason have something like a window envelope where you have to adjust for your addresses, that was absolutely no problem. The feed tables, both front and back, or the fold tables, both front and back, are completely adjustable for the size of paper you have, or for where you need to place the address, or where you need your fold at. All right, well, that's all we have for today. As always, if you want more information, you can email us at info@martinyale.com, our website at www.martinyale.com, or you can give us a call at 800-225-5644. Our next demo day is going to be next Tuesday, and we're going to be looking at the KF200 knife folder, which is a larger knife folder made by our account line. Thank you for your time this afternoon.